I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Find My app and selecting Devices. Pick your AirPods. You do this because Find My shows the last known GPS and can trigger a sound to locate them quickly. Once done, check the battery and last seen timestamp. That tells you how recent the location data is. If they appear nearby, tap Play Sound and listen, move slowly, and pause after each ping to localize direction. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on your phone. Next, follow the map and use precision finding if your iPhone supports the U1 chip. That gives on-screen arrows and distance to narrow down direction and proximity. You do this because GPS can be off by several meters versus Bluetooth proximity. Once you arrive at the general area, reduce background noise and sweep slowly. Move the phone around waist and head height to catch Bluetooth signals. Also enable Notify when found and lost mode, so you get updates if someone else connects their device. Finally, if you find the area, play the sound repeatedly and check common hiding spots, pockets, bags, under cushions, because AirPods can fall into small gaps. If the AirPods show offline, immediately enable lost mode and wait for Find My to report a new location. That protects your device and notifies you. If things go wrong, reset the AirPods and reconnect via Bluetooth, and confirm iCloud uses the same Apple ID on your iPhone. That usually restores visibility. If not, try the charger and retrace the last routes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.